Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. In my new studio, it's a mess. I'm not even going to show it to you yet. The whole house is a mess. This particular move took a lot out of me. This is another edition of Pouring Coast to Coast with Brea and Señorita. So this is my substrate. It is a 1x6, and it was 4 feet, but I trimmed it down to meet my specifications because that's what I want to do. So I'm going to just we are going to be doing some alcohol inks on this. Now you can use Kills 2 to prime the canvas to use alcohol inks on it. That is one of the things that you can do because you have to have that non-porous surface to do alcohol inks. So anyhow, I am going to give this a quick swipe, give it a minute or two, come back and put 2 coats of Kills 2. This is Kills 2 and it's excellent. I'm going to be priming both sides. This is kind of boring. Here's another pro tip too. While you're waiting for this to dry to put on the other coats, you can take a baggie and put it right inside to kind of seal it off. That way you don't have to worry about it drying out. Hey guys, it's Michelle, I'm back. So, I have my board prepped. I had to prime it about 4 times, and then I put 2 coats of latex paint on top of that. So, and I take the edges, because I don't think I want the edges to get all smeary. It might not, but anyhow, actually, I want you guys to guess what I'm going to do with this board. So somewhere in the comments, let me know what you think this is going to be used for. So, without further ado, I am going to get started on this alcohol ink project. I do have some TLP alcohol inks that I made up. This one is Waterfall. And what you do is you put a little bit of TLP in a cup, then you put your alcohol in it, and then you mix it with Piñata Claro extender. And all the Piñata alcohol inks are available on fluidart.co. I put them in these tiny little containers, and I get them on Amazon, and they come in a big bag full. And then I just, then I just add one of these little BB balls in there. That's what I call them, the BB balls. And I have my 91% alcohol, and you can go to 99. That's actually probably better. Gloves are a good thing. And I have TLP. Which one is this? I'll put it on the screen. I forget. Be Ranger. Yeah, this is Ranger, and it's in Stream. And I think that's about it for now. I may add some extra. Oh, wait a minute. This one. This is to die for. Where did I put it? Oh, there it is. It's Opal. It's by Piñata. It's Opal. It's just gorgeous. If you can see the bottom of that. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It's really important to shake up the ones that have pigment in them. I got that little bit from Tanya Munt. Tanya came over and helped me put up my pegboards. She's lovely. Got a nice artist friend here in Michigan. I'm loving my new place. Love, love, love. And I'm gonna put the pigmented ones on last. Get the color down first. I think that's the way to go. Because sometimes the pigmented ones do not move as quickly or as well as just the colors. What we want to do is really saturate the board. I'm going to work in sections up. Yeah, there we go. And I'm going to use, this is a blow dryer. I think it was a Revlon. Yeah, it's a Revlon. And it has a cool shot to it. All right, let's get started. I might be speeding this up just a bit, just to let you know ahead of time. So I want the lids all off of here. This is Stream. Using any Piñata brass. I tried using it over here and I really didn't like it. I love the colors in this. I may put a little bit of this opal in it to finish up, but I'm really liking this. And has anybody figured out what this is? What this is gonna be? Anyhow, I'm really loving this piece. Yeah, it's so cool, so cool. I have my window completely open. It's a beautiful night out tonight. Yeah, you always need to have a well-ventilated area when you are dealing with alcohol inks. Actually, wouldn't be a bad idea to have a mask on either. Now, the Piñata brass I didn't like. This pitch black I didn't like, not in this piece. I was just gonna go with a blue and green piece, but I just can't, I just love color. All right, guys, sorry I've been away so long. Moving sucks. And let me tell you, it took a lot out of me this time. I don't think I'll be doing this again anytime soon. So I'm gonna do it in real time, here and here. And I'm gonna turn you off. Okay, I think it's Twinkle, this one. And it looks spectacular in that purple, so. All right, that's it, that's all. That's so cool. All right, any guesses as to what this is? I'll let you know in a little bit. I will be back with the end results and to see who might have guessed what this is. All right, guys, so the mystery's over. This is going to be for my my numbers for the house. If you can see, actually I'll show you what I'm looking at right now. But yeah, this is, isn't this cool? Different way to put your numbers on your house. Now I got these from Temu, and they come so that you can raise them up. They have this little packet, so they'll sit up from the board. And it also came with this nice little guide. And I'm just thrilled. I can't wait. I'm gonna put some resin or a coat of liquid glass. I've been doing a few renovations here too. Anyhow, hope you liked the video. Hope you got something out of it. And yeah, I'll show you in just a second what I'm looking at outside. So yeah, that's pretty sad. That's really sad. So what I'm gonna do is put it over here on this side. And it'll look really spectacular. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Pouring Coast to Coast Gals, for inviting me to come.